Okay guys, it's very gloomy today outside, but I'm getting ready to take my son out on a little datey date for his birthday. He turns 15 today, so maybe he will let me include him in this video. Saturday, March 2nd. My husband's birthday is today and my son's birthday is today. Isn't that nice? I'm just wearing some jeans. I don't know if you could see my outfit. It's so gloomy. I'm just wearing some jeans and my pumps, my favorite pumps, and my sweater from Shein. The pants are from Shein, but I got them last year when I was going to Jamaica. That's all I'm wearing. I'm just wearing a black bag because, you know. Guys, this is Chase. Today's his birthday. We're getting ready to go on a little lunch date to this restaurant, so I'll take you guys with me. So wish him some luck, some birthday wishes down in the comment section. He's 15 today. Okay guys, we'll see you later. So we're in the car. We're heading to the restaurant. Have about 35 minutes left, child. It was like 54 minutes. So, you know, birthday boy is just sitting, relaxing, chilling. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Oh. We got a shoe doctor over here. We have a coffee bakery over here. And this is the restaurant right here. Up here. Oh. No? But if you want to give me one.
She'll add you to our wait list. She'll let you know the time and add you to our wait list.
Okay. So guys, we have to wait an hour, 1 hour, okay? And maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes to go into this restaurant. So, I don't know what to do. We might just go somewhere and come back, but we'll see. Let me show you guys around me. So here we have the catfish with shrimp and creamy grits. It's so good. I don't really like this, but I like it. It's just caramel walnut waffle, and this one is a sweet potato waffle with lobster. It was so good. Guys, the food was so good.
Here I was just trying to
Chase
show you
had
guys my
lobster
outfit. I
and
just had on
stuff.
my cut-up jeans, my sweater, and my pumps.
It was yummy.
And we're in the
He doesn't
mall.
want to be on the
So you guys
video,
can
so
see
you
a
know.
full look of my outfit. I thought I looked cute that day. You know, I'm just saying.
We're in Lenox Mall. My son's trying to make me walk fast, and I wear these heels, and I can't walk fast. Okay? I'm tempted, guys, but I'm not. I'm tempted to go in, but I'm not. Colors. These are cute. Cute. Sephora, just looking around, guys, to see what I can find. There's so much.
Okay guys, here I'm just in the Sephora looking at some stuff in the merit section. You guys will be so proud of me. I did so well. Here we're just looking at some lipsticks. I think I have one of those lipsticks. I really like their products. Here I'm just looking at some more stuff. My son is trying to video me there. I wanted to pick up a few things, but you know, I tried to be good. Here we're in the Pat McGrath section. I just had to take a video. It was so beautiful. I love the glitters and gold. They have so many nice things, right? Yeah, I was making sure he got that beautiful picture of this blue rose. It's so pretty. All of her stuff is just so, you know, nice and classy. Alright, Pat McGrath. Looking at some concealers. And over here, where are we going next? I think next we're going to see, oh, still Pat McGrath. Alright, just scanning. Okay, I'm here looking at the Sephora collections. I was looking at some lip gloss and stuff just to see what they smell like, but I didn't really buy anything over here either. Just wanted to take a glance. And my son was over the other side smelling some cologne. Yeah, today was a browse day. I bought him some sneakers, but today was a browse day. I bought him 2 pair of sneakers and he was happy with that. Alrighty, right here we're looking at Natasha Ganona section. She has some beautiful palettes. I do have one, just one. And here I'm trying on some perfume. It smells so good. And of course, we can't leave the mall. My son wanted to go get some pretzel from Aunt Annie's, and that was our day.